Okay, so you already found the minimum, and let's make sure you did it the right way. So the idea here, you said you already found your corner points by plotting your constraints. That is perfect. So the first thing you do, you graph all your constraints, and you find your shaded region. Okay, done. You found your corners of that shaded region. Done. Now, what we're going to do here, we actually can find the min and max simultaneously. What we're going to do is say our goal is this function right here. This is our objective. This is straight from the homework assignment. I will show it to you very quickly. Here we are. So you can see all the equations are there. There's your previous answer. So notice you found the minimum of p, which you said was 4. And so we said they want you to maximize and minimize this function, p equals x plus 2y. That's called your objective function. So that's all I did is I just wrote it there. So here we go. All we're going to do is say for each of our corner points, 5, 1, we're going to find what p would be. So therefore, p equals, everywhere I have an x, I'm going to replace that with 5. Everywhere I have a y, I'm going to replace that with 1. So therefore, that makes 5 plus 2, which means p equals 7. That's for the corner point 5, 1. Now we have to do the same thing for the corner point 1, 5. Okay, so therefore p equals, so 1 plus 2 times 5. So that gives us 1 plus 10, so that gives us p equals 11. And we continue this process. So now the next corner point, 4, 0. So p equals 4 plus 2 times 0. So that means p equals 4. Okay, last but not least, the other one, 0, 4. So therefore, p equals 0 plus 2 times 4, which means p equals 8. Now, they want us to know which point maximizes our objective, which one gives us the max, and which one gives us the min. Well, you already figured out the min, and maybe it was by luck, but which one of these has the lowest p-value? Well, 8 is lower than 11, but when you go up a little bit, 7 is lower than 8, so therefore, this 8, not a minimum. Which one has the smallest? 7 has a there's a p-value 7. Did I try them all? Oh, I'm missing one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I just didn't draw a line. There we go. P of 8, P of 4, P of 11, and P of 7. So the smallest P would be 4. Therefore, there is our minimum right there. So we have a minimum of 4 at 4, 0. So you can go back and look at your answer. So you can see you had a minimum of 4 at the value of 4, 0. So now for the maximum, we do the same thing. We just look for which one has the largest p-value. So 8 is bigger than 4, but which one's the biggest? Well, the biggest I see is 11. So therefore, this one right there will be our max. So therefore, we're just going to say we have a max of 11 at 1, 5. So when I go back here, I look at your problem. There you go. So you can see you have a max of 11 at 1, 5. Hope that helps.